This video is about creating a new project. The power of projects is that you can combine different types of stakeholders in one project. And typically that is how you will run advocacy development projects. You have projects like, for example, ensuring neocate reimbursement in the US, fighting reference pricing in Turkey. Those are examples of projects, and they will typically require multiple types of stakeholders. One example of a project is the Souvenate UK project that I've used as a couple times as example. And I show you here, if I do search database, and I'm going to find a project here, for example the Souvenate project, and you upload the project, 91 stakeholders as you see, you're going to find out that there's a combination of an industry association, a whole bunch of KOLs, we have media, we have patient organizations, we have payers, so different kind of stakeholders connected in one project. How do we create a new project? Well, we can do that from the home page. So I'm going to go back to the home page here in the system, and here under stakeholder administration you have link stakeholders and projects. So I'm going to click on it, and this will bring up a filter screen where you can find the stakeholders you want to put into a specific project. The first thing you do is come up with a name for your project. Let's say we create a project name called Recipe for Reimbursement. That may be our new project name. Make it specific so that it's easier to find, and it's also nice to add a country to the project. So we're going to do Recipe for Reimbursement Belgium. That would be our name for the project. So I'm going to find the stakeholders and I want to put in this project. So let's say I have a couple of KOLs. So I'm going to select KOLs, country, Belgium, brand, Recipe for. Let's see what that brings up. I hope there's some Recipe for KOLs in Belgium. Yeah, there's actually one. So here you can say, okay, this person I'm going to be making part of a project. And I'm going to put in the name here, Recipe for Reimbursement Belgium. That's the name of my project. And then I press save over here, and then this person is added to this project. Now let's imagine I also have not only KOLs but also payers in the same project. So what I do then is select the payers, so not KOLs, but I'm going to do the payers, and they probably have no brand connection. So payer Belgium, let's see who that brings up. I have a lot here. So I'm going to put a couple of these people also in the project. So here is going to be the Recipe for Reimbursement Belgium, our project name, and I'm putting that name in all the individuals that I want to add to this project. So this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. Simply copy paste that name into that field. And if I press save now, I've created a project called Recipe for Reimbursement Belgium and added a KOL, payers, and I can add also some other stakeholders to the same project.